आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so hello everyone. Now this question says that first member of each group of representative elements, that is S and P block elements, show anomalous behavior. Illustrate with two examples. So first of all, let us write the first member of each of the groups. So basically they are, let me write. Over here for the S group we have lithium and beryllium. Then from here P group we have boron, carbon, nitrogen. After that we have oxygen, fluorine and neon. Basically neon is not considered, it's a noble gas, so we don't consider it, but still I'm writing. So we only consider up till fluorine. Now basically let us see what are the different characters that they have, or what are the different properties that the first member of each group basically show. Basically we are discussing the general properties. So let me write general properties over here. So in general, first member of each group is having very small size. It is in fact the smallest member of each group. So this is the first general property or general character. Second one is that the ionization enthalpy of the first element is very high. So is very high, because the electron is very close to nucleus, because it is small in size. The outermost electron is close to nucleus, therefore it requires more ionization enthalpy to knock that electron out from the atom. So this is the second property. Third can be that they are more electronegative. So electronegativity is high. It is the highest. In fact, the ionization energy is also highest. I'm writing this for the group. So in the group, they are having highest ionization enthalpy, and electronegativity is also highest. Then they don't have any vacant d orbital, so no vacant d orbital. So because of these different properties, they show some anomalous behavior. So let us discuss two of them. So the first one is basically that lithium and beryllium form covalent compounds, whereas other elements of the S group form ionic compounds. And how do we get to know this? Basically we know that Fazan's rule says that smaller cation and larger anion contributes to covalent behavior. So we can see that lithium and beryllium, we just now wrote that first member of the groups are very small, so they are small cations, hence they have covalent nature. The second example can be that despite being very high electronegative, the electron gain enthalpy, let me write electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity for fluorine and oxygen is not highest in the group, is not highest in their respective groups, so in their groups. And why is it so? It is because of the small size of fluorine and oxygen again. So because of their small size, what happens is when they add an extra electron, the interelectronic repulsion is so high that they become unstable, and therefore the electron affinity or the electron gain enthalpy for them is not highest in their groups. So these are the anomalous behaviors shows by the S and P block. So with this we complete our solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।